Okay, what we have here is a Coyote spa. We're going to go over the installation of the panels. We have some cedar panels sitting here, and what we do is just go over the basic assembly of the panels, installing them on the spa and taking them off again.
So what we first got to do is add our little stud with the nut on it into the top and bottom holes. But on this one we only have the one stud just for demonstration purposes. So we'll thread that in pretty much as far as we can.
So that's pretty much like a hanger to hang it on for assisting on doing the installation?
And the center one are the only two, the two top and the bottom on the center are the only two that actually have a stud with a nut on the back so you can adjust how far in and out they sit.
Understand.
Then we'll put the panel on. Line up the center hole with that stud. Get it hanging into place and start putting all the screws in and putting the screw on the stud, the nut. Now on a corner panel, Mark? On a corner panel, we only have 4 bolts that go in. So what we're going to do is set it up into place. Line up the holes with the grommets that are sitting there. Does work better with 2 people. Put your bolt into the grommet and tighten it in. Put your bolt into the grommet and tighten it in. Now you don't want to tighten up all of your bolts yet because you want to make sure that we're going to center everything and everything's going to get covered up by the transition pieces. So once it's all centered and all the transition pieces are in place, we'll tighten everything down. And that's it.
All right. So we've got these 2 pieces in, just for not doing the whole spa right now, but we have a transition right here right now.
Yeah, we don't have the insert piece for transition, but we do have the actual transition piece.
All right.
So we'd put the insert in, get the transition up into place, make sure it's flush with the bottom, and screw it in.
And it's just cosmetically covering the gap that's in between the 2 panels that's sitting there.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.